South Korean aerospace manufacturer Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) has announced that it will use its FA-50 Fighting Eagle light fighter jet as a testbed for future adoption of artificial intelligence (AI) technology. Following Airbus' use of its Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet tandem seat variant as a testbed for Manned-Unmanned Teaming multi-trials. As a first step toward creating future autonomous aircraft, Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) intends to test its AI pilots on the FA-50 light fighter. By 2026, the AI-based project, called KAI Pilot, will use it to investigate autonomous flight capabilities. According to the South Korean Defense Ministry, the emphasis will then turn to semi-autonomous formation flying and combat maneuvers. In this regard, the FA-50 will help South Korea explore pilot capabilities on the basis of artificial intelligence, the ministry said. A network of human and unmanned sophisticated sensors and weaponry, or MUNTI, is replacing the fighter jet's original notion of a single-manned platform. For a long time, KAI and the South Korean Ministry of Defense have been interested in applying AI to combat drones UCAVs. KAI and its domestic rival Korean Air demonstrated a model of a future unmanned aerial vehicle, UCAV, at the ADEX Seoul 2023 Expo, characterizing it as a devoted wingman for manned combat aircraft to execute missions. KAI and regional defense organizations began a project in January to create AI applications for both manned and unmanned aircraft. Additionally, KAI is creating a system for manned-unmanned collaboration between unmanned aerial vehicles and Ku-1 Suryan helicopters. Research has also been done on a similar system that would connect high-performance drones to FA-50 light attack aircraft.